Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about India's third longest running train. Train number 16318 Katra to Kanyakumari and 16317 Kanyakumari to Katra Himsagar Express. It covers 3,711 kilometers in 70 hours 55 minutes with 66 stops. Average speed is 52 km per hour and maximum speed is 130 km per hour. It will run only Monday from Katra to Kanyakumari and Friday from Kanyakumari to Katra. It covers Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.